Hey guys, welcome back to another JustMeta tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about generating ad headlines using AI. So once you land on the JustMeta dashboard, the first thing you're going to do is go down to this area called AI templates. When you click on it, we have our whole list of templates here, but today we're talking about ad headlines, right? We're talking about creating a gripping ad, something that's going to get the attention of your buyers. If you're an e-commerce seller, if you're a hair salon, if you're anything, this is a really powerful tool. So like, let's say I'm an Amazon seller, right? And one of the things that I sell is closet organizers, right? I sell hangers and stuff like that. So what I want to do is make an ad to attract people who use closet organizers. So my product name is, let's call it the ultimate hanger, right? The ultimate clothes hanger, right? And my audience is professionals, because they have a lot of shirts, right? Let's say churchgoers, because they wear button downs, right? Lawyers, because they also wear button downs, right? And I can go on and on with this list, but you get the idea. And then we have to give a little bit of a description about the product because they're not going to know what makes our hanger the ultimate hanger, or what our selling points are. So I'm going to say unbreakable, lifetime warranty, anti-slip, hangers sold in a bulk 50-pack. Right. And then I got to select my level of creativity. So I always like creative for stuff like this. It's not too much like imaginative can be sometimes, but it's a little better than the boring professional tone. So let's try convincing for this time in tone of voice, and then let's just hit generate and see what it spits out for us. So here we go. We have a whole bunch of ad language here. You're not going to be able to use it all, but this headline here in particular is pretty good, actually. Revolutionize your closet with the ultimate hanger. Unbreakable, lifetime warranty, anti-slip hangers. The perfect solution for professionals, churchgoers, lawyers, and all discerning individuals. Now available in a bulk 50-pack, right? So that's a pretty good outcome here. So you can run this a few times to get different headlines that come across the top here. There's also some other language down here that can be used in other ways. It can be used in like a listing or part of your ad, and like, that text that nobody reads at the bottom. But what's really important here is that headline, right? Because that's what people see on Google. That's what people see on Facebook. And honestly, this was pretty good. So if you want some other options, one of the things you can do is, like I said, you can change the tone of voice. So let's be a little urgent, right? Urgent's a fun one. And we'll generate an urgent response. So it'll generate it below this response. So attention professionals, churchgoers, and lawyers, experience the unbreakable power of the ultimate hanger. A lifetime warranty against sloppy wardrobe disasters. Grab your 50-pack today and save your sanity, right? It's really urgent. It's really gripping. It's actually kind of funny and entertaining. Maybe I go with a more professional tone if I reran that. But it's still pretty good. And, like I said, some of this language can be repurposed for ads and blah, blah, blah. But like I said, most people don't read those lower lines anyhow. So up here is your buttons to download or to save the document as always, so you can find it later. But this is pretty much how you generate gripping ad headlines for if you're selling a product online, if you're selling a service. It can be a useful tool to give you some ideas, give you some inspiration. Maybe you like what it spits out. Maybe you don't like what it spits out. Maybe you want to try a bunch of different things. Maybe you like a line or two from it. But it can be really good at helping you get in that creative mindset and helping you write a gripping and captivating ad.